Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get true stretched resolution on Valorant. Firstly, open Valorant and ensure your in-game resolution is set to your monitor's native resolution. This is to make sure all settings are synced before applying changes. This trick Valorant into accepting custom resolutions. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager. Expand monitors. Right-click on your display, usually named generic PNP monitor, and choose Disable Device. Now, right-click on the desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Under Display, click Change Resolution. Click Customize, then create Custom Resolution. Check Enable Resolutions not exposed by the display. Try one of these work in stretched resolution, 1280 x 882 or 1566 x 1080, most stretched allowed in Valorant. Set your refresh rate, then click Test and Apply. Now launch Valorant, go to Settings, Video, then General. Select your custom resolution. Under Display Mods, find and switch from Letterbox to click Apply, then switch to Fill and then click Apply Guy. And that's it, you now have a true stretched resolution in Valorant. No black bars, full screen, clean visuals. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.